The most important advantage of EDGE is that it's no longer necessary to make any changes to the present GSM air interface structure. EDGE uses the same 200 kHz FDMA scheme to provide a higher data rate, using an 8 PSK modulation that enables a 3 times higher user bitrate per radio time slot. 8 PSK modulation always maps 3 bits of the user signal onto one modulation symbol, that is, a bit within the modulated burst. Thus, burst lengths and the current symbol rate of 270.833 ks per second stay the same. In addition, 8 PSK modulators are also able to handle the standard GMSK modulation that's used today, making EDGE systems downwardly compatible with GSM Phase 2 systems. The combination of up to 8 time slots with 8 PSK modulated signals each lead to the tremendous increase of available data rates up to 474 kilobits per second. Let's now get to know the new modulation scheme by comparing it with the key features of the present modulation type.